Joha and the Donkey. Easy English Story. A1, A2. One day, Joha wanted to buy a donkey. He went to the market and saw one he liked. He talked with the owner about the price. After some time, Joha said, "This is all my money. Take it or I will go." The man agreed, and Joha started to walk home, pulling the donkey behind him. Two thieves saw Joha. They wanted to steal the donkey. One thief went quietly, untied the donkey, and tied the rope to his friend's neck. Joha didn't see anything. Now Joha was walking, and behind him was the thief with the rope around his neck. People saw this and laughed. Joha thought, "They are laughing because my donkey is beautiful." When Joha came home, he looked back. He was shocked. The donkey was gone, and a man was standing there. Joha said, "Who are you?" The thief started to cry and said, "Oh, sir, I am a bad son. I made my mother angry. She prayed that I become a donkey. God turned me into a donkey. My brother sold me in the market. You bought me. But when you touched me, I became a man again." Joha was surprised and said, "Wow! Go to your mother, say sorry to her, and always obey her." The next day, Joha went to the market again. He saw the same donkey. He went close and whispered, "Oh no, you did not listen to your mother again. I will not buy you this time." The end.